Unlock the power of feedback with SurveyMonkey. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or just someone eager to gather opinions, our beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the simple steps to create effective surveys. Discover how to design engaging questions, analyze responses, and transform insights into action, all in just a few clicks. Ready to harness the voice of your audience? Let's dive in. So hi guys and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use SurveyMonkey. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into surveymonkey.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is SurveyMonkey? SurveyMonkey is an online platform that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze surveys. It provides a user-friendly interface for designing questionnaires, collecting responses, and generating reports, ideal for businesses, educators, and researchers. SurveyMonkey helps gather valuable feedback, insights, and data to inform decisions. With various templates and customizable options, it makes survey creation accessible even for beginners. So first of all, all I have to do is just click over register with his email address or use free registration. You can use other options like Google or Apple. Then you will find this page after you write your email address and your password. Let's get to know you. First of all, I'm using SurveyMonkey for work or education or personal. You can also skip this and you will find this page as well. What do you want to do? First, start from scratch. Begin with a blank page or copy and paste a survey you have rated. Then we have here use a quick template. Use a template we have picked for you to create and send surveys faster. Then we have the last one, build with EA. Type a short prompt. EA will create a tailored survey just for you. Once you choose the one you want, you will find this page. So you have just to click over create survey and you have to add a survey and you start modification with his settings. But before, let's know how to use SurveyMonkey. So using SurveyMonkey as a beginner is straightforward. First, sign up for a free account on the SurveyMonkey website. Once logged in, click on the create survey button. You can either start from scratch or choose a template that fits your needs. Next, use the drag and drop editor to add various question types such as multiple choice or open-ended questions. Customize your survey by adjusting the theme and adding a title and description. After you have added all your questions, preview your survey to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click on the collect responses tab to choose how you want to distribute your survey via email, a link, or social media. Finally, after collecting responses, you can analyze the results using the built and analytics tools which provide insights into the data collected. With these steps, you will be able to create and manage surveys effectively. So here we have just to click over create survey and first of all you add a logo here. You have to upload the image here. Then you have to write your page title here, your title and your description. Add a description also. Then you have here the first things options. You have to choose require, for example. I will show you how. So here we have the first things require an answer to this question. So you click over it. Number of choices respondent must answer, for example, exactly how, at least one, or at most how. You can just add 4. And we have here display this error message when this question is not answered. This question requires answers. You can just delete this one and write yours. Then you have your add custom feedback to question, correct answer, incorrect answer, partially correct answer. Then we have here change the layout for how choices are displayed. 3 columns, 2, 1 horizontal. So then we have here randomize, sort, or flip choices does not apply to either or no one of the above. You can choose randomized choices for each respondent alphabetically. alphabetically sort choices. Then we have flip choices for each respondent. Then we have your do not flip the last answer question. Then we have your adjust question layout, question placement, start question on a new row, or plus next to previous. Then we have your question percent. We have just the fixed and how many pixels here. Then we have here how many questions percent, top 2, right 2, bottom 1, left 4. Then we have here enable question text EB tests. Then we have start your A and B tests by adding your question text variation and the edit tab. Click below to get started. Once you do that, you can also click over new questions and you add another one. So that's for options. So right now to edit, you have just to write onto your question to A, B, and you have respondents also. And then we have your answer genius, have your scale. You have also here approve, select type, agree, disagree, satisfied, yes or no, likely, formula. Then we have here select correct answer below, agree deal, how many points. You have here you are required. Then you have this is it, and then we have your score this question, use previous also here. We have another answer option or comments fill out. Have your size, how many character, have make sure it's an email address, of course. Then you have here when the answer is invalid, display this error messages. You can just select this one, do what's yours. Then you have here label also here, how many points, and then you click over save. That's about how the logo and the style. Then you have build here and check boxes, double choice drop down. You have also logic here, options, question bank, format, base features, print also. So SurveyMonkey is a powerful tool for creating surveys with ease to maximize your experience, focus on clarity in your questions, keep your survey concise, and target the right audience for your responses. Don't forget to get your survey before sharing it to catch any issues. Finally, regularly review the analytics to gain valuable insights and improve future surveys. Happy surveying! So this is how it works with SurveyMonkey, and you can just get started right now. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.